Namaskar, welcome to the channel. It's Gujarat tourism series and top tourist place to visit in Sabarkantha. Number 1, Tirupati Rishivan Adventure Park. Tirupati Rishivan Adventure Park in Gujarat is an absolute delight for families and adventure seekers. The park is packed with a wide range of rides and attractions that cater all ages, making it a perfect destination for a day full of fun and excitement. The replicas of famous monuments are incredibly detailed and add an educational twist to the adventure. The park is clean, well maintained, and the staff go out of their way to ensure a great experience. Despite being popular, the park is well organized, so even on busy days, the fun keeps going. Highly recommended for anyone looking to enjoy a memorable day out. Number 2, Polo Forest, Vijayanagar. Polo Forest, located near Vijayanagar in Gujarat, is a hidden gem for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. The lush greenery, serene landscapes, and the gentle sound of flowing river create a tranquil atmosphere perfect for a getaway. Visitor can explore the diverse flora and fauna, take leisurely walks, or indulge in trekking and camping activities. The historical significance of the area adds to its charm. With ancient temples and ruins scattered throughout the forest, the cool climate, especially during the monsoon season, enhances the beauty of surrounding. Overall, Polo Forest offers a refreshing escape from the city life, making it an ideal destination for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Whether you are seeking adventure or simply want to relax in nature, Polo Forest is worth a visit. Number 3, Idar Fort. Idar Fort is a renowned tourist destination known for its stunning architecture and breathtaking views. Fort offers a unique blend of history, spirituality, and adventure, making it an exciting experience for visitors. Praised for the fort's scenic views, tranquil atmosphere, and well-preserved architecture, overall, Idar Fort is a must-visit destination for those interested in history, culture, and natural beauty. If it's raining or it is in winter, I will suggest you to go there. Good for trekking lovers. Some 700 stair steps. Carry sufficient water, food, stuff, and umbrella as you won't get anything there. Number 4, Waterville. Perfect place for the summer to spend whole day with friends. Staff like security guards, lifeguards, ride staff are also very polite, friendly, motivated, and cooperative. I just visited this park and my experience was good. This water park has been constructed in a very large area and the entrance is very attractive. There are many advanced rides and which are very exciting. I visited on Saturday and there has been huge rush, but I didn't see anywhere have to wait to sit in a rides or in a cafeteria. I strongly recommend to visit this place. Number 5, Sapteshwar Temple. Feels relaxing after visiting the temple. Surrounding is open and welcoming. Avoid going during heavy monsoon. However, light monsoon will make it beautiful. Try reaching there before sunset. Be careful before entering the temple. Make sure to remove your socks along with shoes as water constantly passes through the temple as it's underground Shiv temple. Number 6, Idaryogad. Idaryogad is an ideal choice if you are seeking for one-day picnic location in North Gujarat. You can go and enjoy the picnic with your family and friends. There are no fees related to such adventures. The monsoon season is the best time to visit, but in other seasons you can go just before sunrise. Number 7, Sri Ambika Mataji Mandir, Khed Brahma. Visiting Ambaji temple was truly a memorable experience for me and my family. We arrived at temple via state bus and entered through gate number 6. At the temple we noticed there are two entrance options, one for VIP and other for regular visitors. Opting for the regular entrance, we had to wait in the morning as temple opens at 10:30 am and there is a brief closure from 10 am to 10:30 am. Additionally, the temple briefly closes again from 12 pm to 12:30 pm. It's worth noting that wearing belts inside the temple is not allowed. Despite the waiting and the rules, we thoroughly enjoyed our visit to Ambaji temple. The spiritual ambience and the cultural significance of temple made it meaningful and enriching experience for our family. Number 8, the Roda temples, Sabarkantha. There are several kinds of monuments here. It is believed that these are constructed during the 8th to 9th century. The design and the construction of these temples are ancient. Place is very calm and beautiful. There is also a group of temples within the 50 meter. I was very surprised to see such heritage sites around my city. A must visit place. So guys, these were the top tourist place to visit in Sabarkantha. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share and subscribe my channel.